Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now. Adjust your body clock by taking a 90 to 120-minute pre-shift nap so you arrive alert. Put on dark glasses during the commute to preserve sleep hormone cycles. Once done, hydrate and eat a protein-rich snack for steady energy. Make sure to pack a light jacket, spare pens, and your key card. These small items prevent friction. Set 2 clear goals for the first hour and scan the manager's notes and the safety checklist so you start organized and calm. You manage the middle by structuring work into 25 to 30-minute focus blocks with 5-minute resets to prevent fatigue. Once done with a block, switch tasks to keep attention fresh. During busy periods, greet customers quickly, secure safety concerns, then batch similar duties, tickets, prizes, and machine checks to save minutes. Time caffeine to hit before the peak, not after it, and sip water consistently. Make sure to eat a small carb plus protein every 3 to 4 hours. To stable, you close decisively. Follow the official checklist. Reconcile cache, lock off play zones, inspect machines, and log any incidents, so nothing lingers for the morning team. Once done, use 20 minutes of bright light to reset your alertness for the commute, then start a wind-down routine at home that avoids screens and favors cool, dark sleep. If you experience extreme fatigue or impairment, call the manager immediately to swap or rest on site. This troubleshooting step prevents mistakes and keeps everyone safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.